Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get right into it. I will start by opening Outlook by clicking on the Start button and searching for Outlook in the search bar. I am using Outlook 2021 version, but if you are using an older or more recent version, the process remains quite similar. The signature feature has been long part of Outlook, so it works well across various versions. Now, one way to add a signature in Outlook is to navigate to the File menu, click on Options, and in the window that appears, select Mail, and then click on Signatures. However, I prefer a more direct approach to access signature settings, which I find to be quicker and more straightforward for navigating through file menu options. Simply head over to the search bar and type in what you are looking for. In this case, I will type in signature and it instantly brings up the result I was aiming for. So I'll click on signature and the signature window appears. This is our canvas to craft our signature. Here, you can create multiple signatures. Let's kick things off by clicking on New. You will need to assign a name for this signature. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will name it Jane Doe and hit OK. On the right, you will see the option to associate the signature with your email account. Then there are a couple of more options. Whether you want this signature to apply to new emails you compose, and if you wish to use it for replies and forwarded emails. I'm opting to include the signature for new emails, and since I prefer not to use it for replies and forwards, I will set that to none. Now let's move on to the box below where the real customization begins. Start by entering your full name. I will just put down Jane Doe. Next, you can add your job title. Let me put down Digital Content Creator. Then the company name. I will put down JD Digital Solutions. Then you can include your contact details such as phone number and email address. If you want to add your company logo, simply click on Insert Picture icon to add it. Here, you also have standard editing options to play around with. I will just go ahead and change the font style to Arial and pick a different color and making the name bold to stand out. Once you're happy with the customization, hit OK. Now when I go ahead and compose a new email, you can see the signature we have set up is automatically included. And so that's how we add a signature in Outlook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.